Good day, QuintPay community. So today I want to take an opportunity to discuss FIC with you and what does FIC mean. So first of all, FIC is the Financial Intelligence Center. Now, previously, all attorneys, accountants, JSE listed companies, and there's a whole bunch of other organizations were required to comply with the requirements on anti-money laundering. So they had to comply with what we are terming the FIC Act or the Financial Intelligence Center Act. Now, recently, the minister has decided that microlenders should also form part of the accountable institutions under the FIC Act. That is you, our microlending customers. Now, there's a whole bunch of service providers that are jumping on the bandwagon and trying to make money out of microlenders. Now, part of the QuintPay DNA is to put money back into the pockets of microlenders and actually ensuring that you, as a microlender, are making any money. So, how does this work? What are the requirements of the FIC? Now, I'm going to go through all 7 pillars to compliance with regards to the FIC. QuintPay, our awesome loan management software solution, already takes care of that. But what I want to do is I want to take you through some of the high-level requirements. So the first thing you need to do is, as a registered microlender, you are required to register with the FIC. It's a simple process. You hop over to the FIC's website and you go and register. This process takes as much as 10 minutes of your valuable time and you will be registered with the FIC. Now, part of your FIC requirements is that you are going to be having to draft a RMCP. This is a risk management program that you are required to draft. Now, there's a whole bunch of attorneys and service providers out there that comfortably charge anything between 8,000 and 20,000 Rand to draft an RMCP specifically for your business. At QuintPay, we're putting money back into the pockets of microlenders, so we have made available a template inside of QuintPay under our resources menu. You simply go and download the template for free, and you complete your information into the template, and then you submit that to the FIC. Now, there's many of our merchants have done this. They have made use of our RMCP template, and the FIC has accepted that RMCP from our microlenders. You are then required, as another leg of the pillars of compliance, another pillar of these compliance steps, is that you have to do these GoAML checks. So what does that mean? So basically what GoAML means is that first of all, we need to check whether your customer that is applying for a loan from you is not on the international sanctioned list. These are the world's worst terrorists. So it's the Osama bin Ladens and Gaddafis of the world that are on this list. Their cousins and brothers and sisters and nephews and all of those people. So we first need to check if your customer is not on an international sanctioned list. Then we need to go a step further and we need to check whether your customer is a socialite, whether they are a politically exposed person. So they're in government, they're in politics. So we need to do those type of checks. Then we also need to do a check whether you are dealing with large volumes of cash, whether either paying it out or receiving that cash. Now, all of these checks are built into QuintPay. And we're not only doing that check every time you load a customer, but we're doing it every time you create an agreement. We want to be thorough. Now, you can ask, what's the cost for these GoAML checks? Because there's service providers that charge us anything from 1 Rand, 2 Rand a check, all the way up to 5 Rand, 8 Rand we've seen in the market. Part of our DNA, as I've mentioned earlier, is to put money back, to put profits back into the pockets of the QuintPay micro lending customers, our merchants. So we do not charge for this service. It's an absolutely free service. So every single time you create an agreement in QuintPay, we will do those GoAML checks for you free of charge. We will provide you with the RMCP template in the system. All you need to do is register with the FIC, download the RMCP from our resources menu free of charge, complete your information, submit your RMCP to the FIC, and then just do your normal agreements in QuintPay. Load your customers, create your agreements, In the back end, we will do all the heavy lifting for you. We will do the AML checks, and if there's a customer that is flagged or a transaction that is being flagged, the QuintPay software solution will tell you that there's a customer that now needs to be reported, or a transaction rather that needs to be reported to the FIC. We are backing microfinanciers every single day. We're putting profits back into the pockets of every single microfinancier that uses the QuintPay system. We look forward for you joining the revolution that we are creating in the microfinance industry. Have an absolute fantastic day, and remember, stay blessed. Cheers for now.